I'm Brennan with IGS Home Warranty, and I'm here to show you how to maintain your garage door. Step 1. While standing in your garage, open and close the door. Observe the opener and look for any obvious issues. Also take note of any strange noises it makes. Step 2. Inspect the hardware and tighten all the nuts and bolts. Step 3. Close the door and disconnect the opener using the red cord. Attempt to lift the door manually about halfway and release it. If it doesn't stay in place, you may have a balancing issue that needs to be fixed by professionals. Step 4. Coat an old rag in lubricant and wipe down the chain and the top of the chain track. Check the rollers on the door for cracks or damage. These should be replaced about once every 7 years. Step 6. Clear the track of any leaves, dirt, or debris. You can also take the time to lubricate the pulleys at the corner of each track. This will allow the door to open and close more smoothly. Step 7. Once finished, open and close the door one final time to ensure everything is working properly. And that's it. I'm Brennan. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.